Cardano in every practical sense is a mid-position coin with the ticker ADA that in a real sense has a fundamentally present worth of $0.262674 and a market capitalization of $9,208,875,223. Exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Digital currencies explicitly have long passed the purpose in being a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and obscure sellers. These days, it's a resource class that is considerably controlled and, surprisingly, took on as legitimate delicate. Some huge venture banks in any event generally secure Cardano and other digital forms of money all at once to really safeguard their resources under administration. Against the running expansion that disables the customary monetary business sectors. In opposition to prevalent thinking, presently, now is the right time to uncover our short, mid, and long-haul expectation of the improvements on the ADA market that depend on the readings of our extraordinary crypto unpredictability record that in every practical sense assists us with checking the market opinion and expect where in which the market means to go. By and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking, at this point, the cost of Cardano is $0.262674, while the coin right now in a real sense winds up at 8th spot in the general positioning. The said positioning is assessed based on the resource's exceptionally present value that is increased by its ongoing business sector capitalization, a recipe that truly is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients get the most applicable information in regards to the presentation of advanced assets in their portfolios. It's likewise essential to consider the verifiable information that permits shaping a legitimate comprehension of the market structure and its heading. On August 23, the cost of Cardano in every practical sense was at $0.258375 toward the finish of the exchanging timeframe, during which the cost change explicitly added up to 0.02%. Amazingly, 7 days prior, on August 17, ADA was esteemed at $0.274554, which essentially intends that from that point forward, the cost has changed by 0% in a significant manner. A month prior, on July 24, the market member laid out the cost of Cardano at $0.305551. Subsequently, the coin truly has made a 14.03% move to arrive at its for the most part present standings basically. In any case, as currently made sense of, the cost of Cardano isn't the main fundamentally factor that we essentially consider while making the cost forecast, which is genuinely huge. It's likewise essential to fundamentally watch out for changes in the market capitalization of the computerized resource under survey to have an unmistakable perspective on where the market is going in an unpretentious manner. The examination of market capitalization conveys equivalent significance in both digital money and conventional business sectors, or so they thought. As a matter of fact, a similar numerical methodology is utilized to decide the general position and prevalence of computerized resources and stocks. For example, changes in market capitalization, positive or negative, are additionally demonstrative of the manner by which the said market may head, as well as the resource's true capacity for making gains or posting misfortunes in both certainly short and long-haul points of view. This fundamentally specific measurement really is likewise used to check the strength of Cardano, according to the remainder of the digital money market, the progressions in which could likewise offer clues at its future exhibition, or so they thought. To generally decide the ongoing business sector capitalization of ADA, we duplicate the coursing supply, the boundary that will fundamentally be made sense of later, by the current worth of the cryptographic money under survey. Amazingly, starting today, the market capitalization of Cardano in a real sense remains at $9,208,875,223, which shapes the reason for present positioning was referenced before, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Recently, on August 23, ADA had a market capitalization of $9,057,534,600 in a significant manner. Keep going week. On August 17, the market capitalization of the coin being referred to was recorded at $9,628,223,324. A month prior, on July 24, the market worth of Cardano was surveyed to generally be $10,693,386,662. All-out supply considers the quantity of coins that, for the most part, have proactively been created by different means, for example through mining. These digital currencies can fundamentally be utilized either for pretty dynamic exchanging or put away in financial backers' wallets or with overseers, most certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. This genuinely metric likewise considers the coins that have been progressively eliminated through the cycle called consuming, which really is applied to control the expansion rate incredibly. At this point, the absolute stockpile of Cardano basically is laid out at 36,107 356 401 ADA. In conclusion, the circling supply is utilized to generally compute the market capitalization and survey the coins ongoing remaining in the positions. It signifies the sort of buy in large measure of ADA that is as of now exchanged across all trades, barring the coins that are marked, locked, frozen, or briefly generally put unavailable for general use out of the blue. It's by and large accepted that digital currencies that have a coursing supply between 60 million and 150 million are the most reasonable for genuinely long-haul speculation, since they explicitly are probably going to basically see the value in esteem over a lengthy timeframe, perhaps many years, while keeping a sensible expansion rate, which sort of is genuinely critical. At this point, Cardano has a circling supply of 35,058,132,758 coins in an unobtrusive manner. Additionally, high exchanging volume ordinarily features that the liquidity especially is streaming into that market, which demonstrates the general revenue in the digital currencies and guarantees pretty smooth execution of exchanges. Nonetheless, it must generally be noticed that the information connected with the continuous exchanging volume isn't that much reasonable for making essentially long-haul cost expectations. However, it ordinarily gives significant knowledge into the ongoing business sector circumstance. Subsequently, is vital for short and mid-term cost gauges commonly completed by are for the most part restrictive calculation. A savvy digital money financial backer mustn't ignore this especially metric. While picking section or leave point, the guideline here is to get into the activity when the volume begins to rise, when the cost is pushing out of the solidification region, and fundamentally forsake the boat once the volume starts to drop after an impressive convention. It's even genuinely better assuming those cost shifts occur in the areas that concur with generally most certainly high volume, which are typically shown through tall bars on the in every practical sense relating marker that is implanted in all crypto exchanging terminals, in spite of mainstream thinking. Taking care of that, we should survey the exchanging volume recorded on the Cardano market throughout the accompanying time spans. Throughout recent hours, the exchanging volume related with ADA arrived at the place of $191,425,302. Recently, on August 23, the normal weighted exchanging volume recorded toward the finish of the exchanging time frame remained at $212,357,360 in a significant manner. 7 days prior, on August 17, how much ADA that was traded between market members truly was assessed at $246,432,343 in a significant manner. Presently comes an opportunity to